How to fix 0x800F0906.net. Framework installation error. 1. Configure the group policy settings. To do this, enable the specify settings for optional component installation and component repair group policy setting at computer configuration /administrative template /system embedite.msc. 2. Check your internet connection. 3. Run Microsoft.net. Framework repair tool. 4. Run the following commands via the Windows installation media. ism/online/enable feature name netfx3/all/source drive :/sources/sxs/limit access ism/online/enable feature name netfx3/all/source d:/sources/sxs/limit access for Windows Server 2012 R2 Windows Server users only. Run these commands instead. Install Windows feature name net framework core source drive :/sources/sxs. Example: install Windows feature name net framework core source d:/sources/sxs.